Hey everybody, it's me Just12311. So I'll do a video on Lightning L-Drago versus Lightning L-Drago, 100 HF for both of them. So yeah, whole flats. Okay, one reason behind this video, this one's the Takara Tomy with all the stickers and everything on it. This one with no stickers is Hasbro. So for Takara Tomy, I'll be using a string launcher, Bay Launcher LR. Left spin, since a string launcher is what comes with an Takara Tomy and Hasbro ripcord, plus speed pointer. So yeah, here we go. So I'm gonna put Lightning L-Drago, Takara Tomy in first. Okay, Takara Tomy wins first round. Here we go again. Whoa, that was completely epic. Goes by the Hasbro. So right now, 1-1. And Hasbro wins again. It's 2-1, Hasbro winning. Go, ready? Hasbro. Whoa, that was epically awesome. Tied. So, score is still 2-1. Last round. Now it's 2-2. Hasbro and Takara Tomy winning. Okay. This will be the last battle. The score is 2-2. So, yeah. Hasbro wins. Hasbro Lightning L-Drago. Rate, comment, and subscribe. So, yeah, thanks. Bye.